Hey, this is Brant with Vintage Statements, and today we've got a nice French buffet that we're going to redo, so follow along. Alright, so we've got all the hardware off. What we're going to do now is sand all the flat areas with our DeWalt sander and 80 grit sandpaper. Then what we're going to do is take the sandpaper off and do all the drawers, since they're all round and they still have all that little decor. Do all the things that are round on here that we couldn't get with that. And then, well, we'll be done with sanding. Sounds pretty easy, but we've got about an hour of work ahead of us. So let's get started. Alright, we're ready to paint 2 coats, very navy. Woo! One of my favorite colors. So we're going to get this done. It's starting to get hot out. This paint's going to start drying pretty quick. 2 coats on the fronts of the drawers, the doors, drawers twice, frame twice, and then we can start scuffing this project up. So let's watch Marie work for a while.
That's your favorite thing. Grab a paintbrush, Brant. Alright, 2 layers of paint. Now, for some of you who want to just leave it solid, that's perfectly fine. You can move on to waxing and putting the hardware on. But with Vintage Statements here, we're going to put a little scuff on it, give it a worn-in look. So, what we've got is a bunch of old sandpaper. One of the pieces that we used to sand down the dresser when we started this. So, it's not completely 80 grit, even though it is 80 grit sandpaper. It's been worn down a lot. So we're going to go over the drawers, the doors, the frame here, and just give it a little vintage look. So let's get started.
Alright, here we are with our finished piece. It's a navy blue, or very navy, I think is the actual color's name. It's got some drawers. The doors, we left the inside, the plain color, are the natural wood. Be awesome in any piece. If you like this piece or any of our other pieces, like us on Facebook, follow us on YouTube, and give us a thumbs up.